Swallowing a spoonful of sugar can stop hiccups faster than holding your breath or drinking water upside down. This isn't just an old wives' tale, there's real science behind it. When you suddenly get hiccups, your diaphragm goes into spasm, and most cures only distract you. But sugar actually interrupts the nerve signals that cause those spasms, sending your body a hard reset. The grainy texture of sugar activates the vagus nerve in your throat, forcing your system to focus on processing the sugar instead of hiccuping. It's like a shock to your nerves, snapping the cycle instantly. So next time hiccups hit, head to the kitchen and grab a spoonful of sugar. You'll be surprised how quickly your body forgets to hiccup.